Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Render has broken out another symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart, and right now you can see that after the breakout from the symmetrical triangle, it is still moving to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this very big down channel. And after that, the price has recently broken out this rising wedge pattern as well. By the way, from this low, when it was testing this support here up till this high, Render has rallied almost 5,000%, 4,950%. And here we have found a quite long-term resistance at $13.50. And after that, the price line retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support and geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Powerland, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, this signal I shared on 14th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Render. And this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that previously it was moving inside this descending triangle, not a descending, a symmetrical triangle, since after 5th of March 2024. And you can see it was testing the support, testing the resistance more than the support. You can see that it was testing the resistance again and again, and only for 1 and 2 and here 3 times it has tested the support. That was a quite clear signal that eventually the price can break out the resistance of this triangle rather than breaking down the support. And you can see that finally we have broken out this resistance of the triangle. And if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this support, this uptrend line support of this triangle. Now let's take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle. Then expected target for this breakout is here. That is approximately at $20. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big down channel. And after that, we have also broken out this very big rising wedge pattern as well. By the way, when it was moving inside this down channel, in those days, I shared several videos with you, and I was telling you that once it will be able to break out this down channel, then target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target almost up to $14 and got rejected by this resistance of $13.50. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several days the price has been rejected by this resistance, and now we have retested the previous resistance of the rising wedge pattern as a support, and the price is geared up, and right now it is breaking out this resistance of $10.30. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that technical target is, by the way, here. That is almost at the same level where we have the target for the breakout from this triangle. That is at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.